I've seen this on the internet. I'm gonna take some sliced tomatoes that we're not using anymore.
That's a scary time.
Yes, and I'm going to take these and put them directly
and put it
in the dirt.
in the dirt.
Yes, just like this.
Yeah.
And then cover it up.
Ready? Oh. Hi. Hi.
Cover it up just like that. So we're going to see what's going to happen in a couple of weeks. This is a little trick I seen on the internet. Buy store-bought tomatoes and grow it. Okay. I'll show you something real quick. Remember those tomatoes that I just stuffed in the ground? Look at that. There's one tomato plant. There's another one right there. And there's probably going to be more growing up soon. That little trick works. It really works. I'm just interested to see if these are going to grow to full tomato plants. The store-bought tomatoes, remember the experiment I did? I just put tomatoes in the ground and kept watering it. Look at that. And I cut some of them out because there used to be a bunch. So now I need to decide which of these three I'm gonna keep. I got to get rid of one of them because they're too close. And it worked out. Hopefully the tomatoes come out just like the store. I may start doing that. What's up, guys? And here's the experiment tomatoes that I did from the store-bought tomatoes. I just sliced the old tomatoes we had in the house. I sliced real thin and just put them in the dirt. And this is what happened. It grew. It grew. What's up, guys? So today is June 14th, Sunday. And I wanted to show you this. Do you remember the trick I did, the experiment I did with the tomatoes? And I sliced some tomatoes and I put them in the ground. I'm gonna show you what they look like now. Look at that. Let me go over here. Look how big they are. Very big now. Very big. Now the thing is, I want to see if it's going to produce some tomatoes. That's the thing. So yeah, okay. I'm about to go get me something to eat. And yeah, these are some sunglasses my Sawa bought. Pretty nice. So yeah. All right, peace. What's up, guys? Man, I need a shave. I took some store-bought tomatoes that we had in the refrigerator, and I sliced them real thin, and I planted them in the dirt and covered it up and kept watering it. This is tomatoes from the house. Instead of throwing them outside and throwing them in the trash, I put them right here. I didn't buy seeds. These are old tomatoes that was in the refrigerator. And I seen this on the internet and I tried it, and look at it, it works. It works. And it look like there's just some flowers, so there are going to be tomatoes on there. Ooh, it's nice out here, but it's hot. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give you an update on the tomato experiment I did when I sliced up some tomatoes that we had in the refrigerator. I just sliced them real thin and I put them in dirt and I watered them. So today is July 2nd and I started this May the 7th, I believe. So let's see how they're doing. Look at that. Probably tall as my hand. Very big. And this is just some tomatoes I got out the refrigerator. Sliced them and put them in the dirt. And it's growing. See the flowers? So I know there's going to be tomatoes on there. Let me zoom in. Yeah, so there's going to be tomatoes growing on here. Just like the store-bought tomatoes. Look at that. Let's go over here. Yeah, it's huge. It is huge. So, oh, wait a minute. There's some tomatoes right there. Look at that. I didn't even know these were here. Wow. Look at that. So I guess I'll be doing this every year now. These are the store-bought tomatoes that I was going to throw in the trash. So they're going to look like the vine tomatoes in a store. Look at that. Oh, wow. I'm going to be doing this every year now. That's amazing. Simply amazing. I just wanted to show you that. It's looking really, really, really good. Didn't even know this was here. Yeah, I'm excited now. So yeah, instead of me buying seeds every year, I just take a tomato out the house and plant it just like that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, see y'all next time.